All right, good morning, class. How's everybody doing?
Good, Miss Steele.
All right, you had a good.
Had a great weekend.
Okay.
I mean Friday.
All right. Well, our learning target today is I can understand how to calculate financial costs and solve measurements such as area needed to renovate a home. All right. So first, I'm going to model our warm-up activity today. I'm going to model the first problem, and the second problem we'll do together. Okay. All right. So it says Samantha's building a house in Virginia Beach, Virginia. She would like a bedroom that is 12 feet in length by 10 feet in width. What is the area of her bedroom? So first I'm going to underline 12 feet in length and 10 feet in width. So I know the area is length times width. So I'm going to have to multiply. So I'll multiply 12 times 10. And I'll go to decimals. And I'll plug it in. Put in my decimals calculator real quick. I got 12 times 10 to give me 120. So 12 times 10 is 100, 12 feet. So 120 feet squared. So that's how we find my area of the bedroom.
Right.
So now, we're gonna do example number 2 together. So it says a rectangular room is 16 feet by 25 feet. The ceiling is 10 feet high. What is the area of all 4 walls and the ceiling for painting 1 coat of paint? So first, what should I do first?
Underline all the
Underline,
important
right?
stuff.
All right, so we
Miss
underline
Steele.
the what? In
Come
here.
on, Matthew Jordan.
Now, number 1. What am I doing for number 1?
It's as simple as that.
Okay, so I have to do what? Take my 16, do the small wall first, 16 times 10. So what's 16 times 10? 160. Now, number 2, take my larger wall, which will be 25 times what? Times 10. So what's 25 times 10? 250. Okay. Now, what do I do now? What do I have to do now? Add them all up together, right? Okay. So I got 160 plus my 160 plus 250
Well, you add them all up, but you do it like double time.
plus 250. Correct. So when you add them all up together, can somebody add them up together and tell me how much you get?
What'd you get, Matthew Jordan?
You got 840?
I got 100.
Y'all agree? Thumbs up if you agree.
Yeah.
Let me see a thumbs up if you agree. Okay, so everybody agrees. All right, good job, good job. Now, go ahead and start on our project. If you go ahead and take out your housing project for me. And we're still going off our learning target. I understand how to calculate financial costs, solve measurements such as area needed to renovate a home. Okay. Go ahead and take out your packets, and I'll go ahead and let you guys get in your group.
All right, Matthew, let's lock in.
So take a minute, get your projects out, but go ahead and get beside your group member.
What's the move, Matthew? There is no move? Talking about
All right. All right, so here's our renovation project that we're gonna do, fixer-upper home renovation project, where you be responsible, you and your team member, because I know you guys kinda like already picked your team. You're doing a kitchen, you're doing a bedroom, a backyard, which is the fence, and the family room. So you're gonna actually, students will complete all tasks associated with their room, and you will decide a new paint, color, furniture, flooring. Based on all the selections, you'll calculate the cost that goes along with the room renovations. Your group will have a budget of $30,000 collectively to renovate all the rooms of the house. And this means that the combined total for all the rooms cannot exceed $30,000. So you only have $30,000 for your group, okay? You can't go over.
$30,000.
Cannot go over 30,000 at all.
Write that down, Matthew. Can't go over
So if y'all wanna underline that in the packet, but here, we have important dates. Here's our timeline here. So our timeline to complete the task, we have the 21st, which we began, the 24th, task 1 through 4, Tuesday, 2/25 is task 5 through 6, Monday, March 3rd, task 7, and task 8 should be completed, and the project is actually due on March the 4th. March the 4th. Okay. These are the outline, and these are the tasks that should be completed in detail of what should be done here, from task 1 all the way up until task 9, which is your reflection. Your team agreements, which is task 1. You're gonna, whatever you agree upon, the group is responsible for. Your outcome from task 1 as a group with at least 5 team agreements regarding the equity of work, deadlines, communication, or anything else you feel that is important. So you already have your groups. I think you kind of made some of your team agreements. If not, complete the team agreements. And this is the proposed budget. So everybody will be responsible for something in your group. So if you're into groups of 2 people will be responsible for each room in your proposed budget, but you cannot go over $30,000. Okay. Here, now, kitchen. If somebody's doing the kitchen, first you're going to actually pick your floor plan with task 2, and I'm going to pass these out. Okay. This has the floor plans and the fencing that you choose. Okay. You're going to use task 2 to give you whatever floor plan y'all chose. You're going to put the floor plan here. You're going to put the length, width, height of the walls, and you're going to calculate the perimeter and the square footage of the house. I mean, sorry, not the house, but the room that you're choosing to do. Okay. And this will be for each. So there's the kitchen, there's the bedroom, backyard, and the family room. Okay? And then we'll go on when we get there to the paint selection. And once y'all get to task 3, I got the colors, so I'll pull up the colors so that you guys can see, but I know on here it's just black and white.
That's for me.
So I'll let you guys go ahead and work on task number 1 and 2. Okay. And I'll come around if you got any questions, okay? Y'all can go ahead and get started. And toward the last 15 minutes of class, I have a small assessment I want you guys to work on.
Really?
Okay.
You're gonna do that to us on a Monday? Wow, Miss Steele. That's real convenient
It's not bad.
during the project period.
You'll change it to the basic yard. Smart move, smart move. And this is a test grade, so this is an easy 100.
Wait, so we're not doing the second one? Alright. I'm gonna do something different. I suppose.
slide the desk if you need to slide, so that way you'll be closer.
Perimeter.
Y'all can slide over
So what
to
needs to
closer.
do, so I add them, so I add the 50, so I add them, right? So I add it.
And all sides.
Oh, I did,
The
oh,
perimeter's adding all sides.
also.
All four sides.
Oh, so it's 50.
Yeah.
Man, that's, you know, I gotta redo both the kitchen dimensions and the.
No, you can.
No, that's just for the back, that's, he's just
No, I
talking
just
about the
changed the
backyard.
backyard, can you straight?
Yeah, he's just talking about the backyard.
No, I was changing the backyard dimension, bro. They're gonna wanna do the long backyard.
Mariana, you wanna slide over so you can, y'all can work together?
I just wanted to do this one. 50.
Wow.
What? Did you do closer?
I scribbled out everything on that one, so the way it, I thought that's what I did.
No, it's just the backyard he was talking about.
I'm gonna make that.
52. Yes. 30. I was just speaking about that. Hold on, man.
Mariana, which one you doing? Oh, okay, you already got all your measurements? You finished with task 2? You go to task 3.
But
Thank you.
So the area of the whole room is all for size?
Say again?
The area of the,
Times what?
alright, make sure, we, oh, you gotta change that on the back, I thought we were just good. No, you good.
just to the one that we could.
Are y'all in rooms? Okay, what is your room in the king room? Well, who's doing what? You supposed to have put it on here. Who's doing the other two? So who's doing? Just go ahead and work on whatever you said you were responsible, work on that one, just for today. Go ahead and work on that one, whatever you guys said on here, work on that for now. Okay? You can use your notes. We have notes set, cause we just had test. The length and width, you multiply these two together? The length and width, that's how you get the area. Y'all can use your notes from unit 5B. We talk about area, we just took a test. So just go ahead and do your bedroom. Just keep moving.
Where room is this? I gotta do this.
minutes to work on that other task, whatever task y'all working on. Okay.
With them, I'm gonna catch through.
Yeah, I'm not.
Okay, good.
Also, I need to multiply that to be time. Just times two.
Alright, this what we came, the family room in the kitchen. Melody?
Are we keeping the present?
That's what my cousin, or my dude.
In your room? Oh. I'll pick the bedroom. Yeah, ice cream though.
This one?
Ice pink.
Like, okay.
I have no clue who's gonna look that up actually.
Uno.
Hold on,
chain, I think the chain fence would be tough though. Is it cheap? Yeah, chain link, bro. Chain link would be hard, bro. And then it had like the most history. Give me the dog that went through it because he was trying to terrorize the neighbor. You know, the kid might break it somehow, get it fixed a bunch of times. It gets rusty, and then pass it on to your other family, and then it gets renovated over time, probably. But it'll have some guys to it. We used to hop that fence.
That's square foot, it's 25.
All right, so let me put things. Oh, you need my paper then?
No, oh, it's 45. No, wait, the chain, yeah, it's 40. No, I don't believe it.
What's wrong? You okay? What you waiting for?
Budget, like,
Huh? You can keep going, cause you're doing your separate business. You can go ahead and do yours. You're choosing a paint whatever paint you choose. For your room. You're right.
Pieces of
I'm confused now about this, but. You still know, so I don't know.
Yeah. It's okay.
And then hit the wood fire. Something, pizza. Ain't lucky, I'm busting
Yo,
out
how much
behind the
pieces
basketball
is
third period.
cost per foot, cost per foot. Pieces of railing needed. I don't,
What does it say?
it says how much pieces of railing I need.
What's under that?
What's under it?
What's the next question you have?
The 4 pieces of railing needed.
So you're gonna take the, hold on one second, I'm coming.
She's coming.
Alright. Let's see here. Yeah, you don't have to wait on her, you can go ahead and continue doing working on yours. Cause you're doing a different room than yours. stopping point on that? Put that away. I'm about to give you a mini assessment. You can take that home with you. Okay, so I have a mini assessment I want y'all to do. Put your papers up. Make sure you put your name, class period. Now, go ahead and get started. And make sure you show your work. to a stopping point, I want y'all to go ahead and stop. Make sure your name and stuff is on it. If you're not, then I'll give you some extra time tomorrow. So, we're gonna continue to work on, we will continue to work on our project. And our learning target for the day was I can understand how to calculate financial costs and solve measurements such as area needed to renovate a home. So tomorrow we'll continue what we were working on today, which is your project. Any questions, comments, concerns? Also,
Let me know when you got more time.
yeah. Also, sir, Jose,
What's up?
Oh, you gave out more candy?
okay, pick your candy, make sure y'all pick your trash up when y'all, make sure you pick up your trash and clean up your area. Also, I got a couple of announcements. Go ahead and get a couple of pieces and go ahead.
I thought I had to go just, bro, and I don't wanna go into details, but yes, I have to.
So, we are,
Put the toilet paper down on the thing.
hold on,
Knock out.
couple of announcements. There will be a remediation for unit 5B. If you feel like you didn't score well, there will be a remediation for that, okay? So tomorrow, we'll continue to work on our home improvement project, okay?
What time is it?